Hi everyone, welcome to Sri Lankan cuisine. So today I'm going to show you how to make a bitter gourd stir fry. When it comes to bitter gourd, mostly our family members doesn't like to eat because it's bitter. So I will show you today to make a bitter gourd stir fry with less bitterness on the dish. So I have taken here 500 grams of bitter gourd. I will show you first how to cut it. I will stem it from the top and the bottom first. So let's cut it into small cubes. So actually slice into parts like this. So if you find any seeds inside, you have to remove them, just like I'm showing you now. So make sure you will remove, as I told you, the seeds well before you cut it into slices. So now I have finished cutting the bitter gourd. We have to get this boiled first before we do the stir fry. So I will add this into a clay pot. To get this boiled, I'm going to add some salt, like 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Some cinnamon, garcinia, which we say goraka in Sinhalese, and some turmeric powder. So I will use some water to get this boiled, just few only. Let's give this a mix. As you can see, I have just have few water. Let's get this boiled now. So now I have turned on the flame into medium heat. So let's cover this with a lid and get it boiled well. So now let's start with the ingredients that we're going to use to do the stir fry. I have taken here a medium onion sliced, a medium tomato sliced, 2 cloves of garlic chopped, 1 green chili cut into pieces, some pandan leaves and curry leaves, 1½ teaspoons of chili flakes, ½ teaspoon of unroasted curry powder, and over I'm here using some mustard seeds, turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon, and some moldy fish flakes. If you are vegetarian, please omit moldy fish flakes from this dish. And I'm using 1 teaspoon of oil. So now, as you can see, our bitter gourd is getting boiled. Let's give it 2 to 3 minutes more. Now my bitter gourds are half boiled. Let's cook it for a few more minutes. As you can see, there is some water left still. So as you can see now, there is no more water here. Let's move the bitter gourd into another dish now. So as you can see now, my bitter gourd is well cooked. We have to remove the garcinia, which is goraka. We have add goraka here to boil this. So goraka has a tangy flavor. So this tangy flavor, when it's mixed with the bitterness, it will reduce the bitterness of this dish. So I will move the garcinia now. So as you see now, I have turned on the flame. So we're going to add the oil first to the pan. So now my oil is heated, so I'm going to add the turmeric powder, the mustard seeds, and the moldy fish flakes first. Then the curry leaves and the pandan leaves. Then the garlic, onion, and the chili. Let's fry this until golden brown. So as you can see, my onions are well fried now. I'm going to add the tomatoes. Let's give it a stir. So now I will add the boiled bitter gourd into this. Give it a mix. Now we will add the curry powder. This is unroasted curry powder. And the chili flakes. I didn't add the chili flakes earlier into the oil because it might let me cook. So now when I have all the ingredients inside the dish, so this is the time that we add the chili flakes into it. So let's cook it for another 2 minutes. So I have checked the taste of salt now. Since we add salt only when boiling the bitter gourd, it's not enough. So I will add another 1/4 teaspoon of salt. So now my bitter gourd stir fry is ready. Let's get this served. I'm going to turn off the flame. So this is the stir-fried bitter gourd that I made today. When you have all the ingredients, try the bitter gourd dish this way and see, your family would love it. So if you like my video, please share this with your friends and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. See you again with another delicious dish. I am Melissa.